Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to fix the disk management error you're coming across when you're trying to delete a partition or a volume and you're unable to either extend the volume or delete it. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the start menu. Type in sysdm.cpl. Best match should come back with exactly that. Go ahead and open that up. Select the Advanced tab. Then go ahead and select the Settings button underneath Performance. Select the Advanced tab again. Underneath Virtual Memory, select the Change button. And versus automatically manage paging file size for all drives, go ahead and uncheck that. Now you want to go ahead and select the drive with a problem with, which in our case is going to be the E drive. It could be different in your case, of course. And you want to just set it to no paging file. So make sure it's set to that. And go ahead and select the set button and then select OK. So you will need to restart your computer before the changes can take effect. So select OK, apply and OK, close out of here, and go ahead and restart your system. Okay guys, here we go. And if you open back up disk management here, you go ahead and back into here, and you access that drive, you should be able to delete and shrink the volume that you might not have been able to do before. So if I just want to go ahead and delete it here, just going to give you guys an example. Select yes, and you can see it has now been freed up. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.